All right, guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got behind me today. Little red Corvette, 1966, numbers matching, 427, 390 horse, 4-speed, convertible with the hardtop, looking sweet, baby. You know why they wrote the song about the little red Corvette. Look at this thing. Just absolutely stunning, looking great. All the chrome, the paint work, just everything about the car, just sweet as can be. She is gorgeous. Like I said, numbers matching too. You just don't find these cars numbers matching. You see the side pipes there looking sweet, the aluminum spinners. Man, it looks good. Look at that interior. My favorite color interior is black. My favorite steering wheel is wood. All the chrome in there is looking sweet. The carpeting's looking sweet. Just everything about the car is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful workmanship on the restoration on the car. Just absolutely beautiful. Fun to drive too, man. These cars are just a blast. Can you imagine back in 1966? This thing was just head and shoulders above everything else on the road, except maybe a Cobra. You've watched Ferrari versus Mr. Shelby, right? You saw those guys racing those Cobras against those Corvettes. Man, she's looking sweet. Look down the side of it. Nice and straight, looking good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this beautiful little vet. So you know we took our time and picked it out before we bought it. Then the first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect the cars. We take our pictures, do our videos, so you know exactly what you're getting when we park this dream in your driveway. Corvette time, baby. Let's go. Tell you what, she's pulling hard. That's just half throttle. Driving nice down the road. Amazing little car right here. 1966 big block Corvette. 390 horse, baby. That was a ton back in 1966. She is a monster. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are close to the airport. So if you want to come visit us, we would love to have you. If you want to send an inspector, we will treat your inspector just like we'd treat you. You want to get it up in the air and check it out in person, no problem whatsoever. You want to come in on a Saturday, just call Tom and make an appointment and we'll make that happen for you too. Now you can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet on the dash too, man. It is beautiful. Looks like the tach's working, the speedo's working. Actually, it looks like all the gauges are working. Love this big old steering wheel. These big wood wheels, man, are so cool. Just says old school. And it helps you turn this baby. Look at that. Look at the turn-in radius on this dude. Awesome. Now you know why they made those songs about the little red Corvette? Because man, it don't get any better than this. What a sweet little ride we got here. Now we're gonna take this baby back to the shop. We're gonna put it up on the lift and we're gonna show you exactly what the bottom of it looks like. We do that to every one of our cars here at Vanguard. As far as I know, nobody else in the industry puts every car up on the lift. Sorry, there's a lot of traffic here. Now, at Vanguard, we're gonna head back to the shop right now. We've got our two facilities here. We've got our storage facility, then our shop where we do all the work. That is where we're headed right now. You know, a lot of the auctions and that you see, they'll show the occasional bottom of a car. Not at Vanguard, man. Every car goes up on the lift and we show you exactly what the bottom side looks like. We're proud of all of our cars. Now, we're right outside of Detroit. Got a lot of stuff going on here. I had a customer come in the other day. They looked at their car, did all the paperwork, then they headed right down to Henry Ford Museum. A lot of history here in the Motor City. All right, we're right here at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. Stick with us. We're going in the air with this one right now. All right, we're underneath the red Vette now, and man, it's pretty under here. Spare tire cover's looking good. There is a spare tire in there. Everything's been painted up, looking good. The spring's been restored, and the isolators are in there. You can see the drive shafts have been painted up, looking good. You can see all the adjustment bolts here look like they're fairly new. The shocks look like they're new. I always check the cross member here. All the bushings in the cross member look good. Disc brakes out back, the guys will check those out, make sure they're in good working order. Everybody knows you got to check this corner out where that frame dog leg's in. Check out this brace right here. A lot of times you can just reach up here and feel around how nice it is. I see some fairly new shims up here in the trailing arms, so it's got a fresh alignment on it. Drive shaft here has also been painted up, looking good. We got nice paint on the frame. We got the numbers matching 4-speed trans here. All the exhaust components look like they're fairly new. The exhaust manifolds look like they got some high heat paint on them. All the steering gear's been all cleaned up, looking good. We got what looks like new shocks here. The brakes, the guys will check those out too. Sway bar bushings also look like they're new. Calipers have been painted up, they're looking good. Sway bar's been painted up, still got a paper sticker on that one. We got some 7.75 by 15s on these gorgeous wheels, man. I don't see a mark on those wheels whatsoever. And then the side pipe covers also are looking sweet. Just beautiful shine on them. And then look at the frame here. Look at the finish on that frame, just gorgeous. Somebody did a beautiful job on that. And then out back, of course, the same size tire, same good looking rim. Everything on this thing's looking sweet. Well, let's lower this baby down and take a look at the big block under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got the numbers matching 427, 390 horse. It's got the correct heads on it. It's got a period correct carb sitting on it. I mean, everything under here is nice and clean. It's got the GM hoses on it. Alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The wiring harness looks like it's a brand new unit. Everything is nice and clean on here. It does have manual steering. It does have the manual brakes on it. We got the cover on the distributor. I mean, everything on this thing is super clean. The radiator looks like it's in good shape. The fan clutch, I mean, the whole 9 yards. The paint on the motor's in great shape. Bottom side of the hood's nicely finished. I mean, the car's amazing, guys. She's red. She's a little red Corvette. Let's give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.